Tube Mastery and Monetization is an online course created by Matt Parr, designed to guide individuals through the process of building, growing, and monetizing successful YouTube channels without the need to appear on camera. The course is structured into multiple modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of YouTube channel development. Introduction to the course and an overview of what participants can expect. Insights into Matt Parr's personal journey and success on YouTube. Choosing a niche. Strategies for selecting profitable niches with high CPM cost per 1,000 views. Conducting market research to identify audience demand. Access to a list of over 100 profitable niches and 239 example channels. Tube Mastery and Monetization. Netlify.app. Setting up your channel for success. Guidance on creating and optimizing a YouTube channel. Implementing the 33 rule for content strategy. Utilizing essential YouTube tools and SEO keyword processes. Generating videos. Anatomy of viral videos and content creation techniques. Scripting, voiceovers, and editing using free resources. Systematizing video production for efficiency. Uploading and optimizing videos. Best practices for video optimization to enhance visibility. Creating a content calendar and scheduling uploads. Understanding YouTube's algorithm for better reach. Growth strategies. Analyzing YouTube analytics to inform content decisions. Implementing strategies to increase subscriber count and video views. Monetization methods. Exploring various revenue streams, including ad placements, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Scaling and outsourcing. Techniques for hiring and managing a team to handle content creation. Developing a streamlined workflow to scale operations. Bonuses. Access to a private mastermind community for support and networking. Additional resources such as fill-in-the-blank video script templates and case studies of successful channels. Key features. Comprehensive curriculum. Covers all aspects of YouTube channel creation, from niche selection to monetization. Practical resources. Provides actionable tools and templates to assist in content creation and optimization. Community support. Offers access to a private community for collaboration and guidance. Expert instruction, led by Matt Parr, an experienced YouTuber with multiple successful channels. Conclusion. Tube Mastery and Monetization aims to equip individuals with the knowledge and tools necessary to create profitable YouTube channels without the need to appear on camera. By following the structured modules and utilizing the provided resources, participants can systematically build and grow their channels, leveraging various monetization strategies to generate income. If you are serious about making money on YouTube and changing your life, check out the link below this video to join us in Tube Mastery and Monetization. Please do well to like and share this video. Thank you.